Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. It exists in various forms such as kinetic energy, potential energy, electrical energy, and more. Energy is essential for all processes in the universe, from powering our bodies to driving machines and sustaining life on Earth. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed from one form to another. In this video, we will explore 20 different types of energy.
20 types of energy. Number 1. Kinetic energy.
When an object is in motion, it has the ability to do work and cause changes in its surroundings. For example, a moving car has kinetic energy that allows it to overcome friction and air resistance to keep moving forward. The faster an object moves or the more massive it is, the more kinetic energy it possesses. Kinetic energy can be transferred from one object to another through collisions or interactions. It can also be converted into other forms of energy, such as potential energy or thermal energy. Kinetic energy is a key concept in physics and is essential for understanding the behavior of moving objects in the natural world.
Number 2. Potential energy.
Potential energy is the energy that an object possesses due to its position or configuration relative to other objects. It is stored energy that has the potential to do work in the future. The amount of potential energy an object has depends on its position, shape, or condition. Potential energy can be converted into kinetic energy when an object moves or falls from a higher position to a lower position. It can also be converted into other forms of energy, such as mechanical energy or thermal energy. Understanding potential energy is crucial for analyzing and predicting the behavior of objects in various physical systems.
Number 3. Thermal energy.
Thermal energy is the energy that comes from the movement of particles within a substance. It is a form of kinetic energy that results from the random motion of atoms and molecules in a material. The faster the particles move, the higher the thermal energy of the substance. In industrial applications, thermal energy is often used for heating, cooling, and generating power. It is harnessed in various systems like boilers, furnaces, and heat exchangers to provide heat for manufacturing processes or to produce electricity. Understanding thermal energy is essential for designing efficient systems for heat transfer and thermal management in different applications.
Number 4. Chemical energy.
Chemical energy is a form of potential energy that is stored in the bonds of chemical compounds. It is released or absorbed during chemical reactions, such as combustion, photosynthesis, and digestion. Chemical energy can be converted into other forms of energy, such as thermal, mechanical, or electrical energy.
Number 5. Electrical energy.
Electrical energy is a form of energy that is associated with the movement of electric charges. It is a versatile and widely used form of energy that powers various devices and systems in our daily lives, such as lights, appliances, electronics, and machinery. Electricity is generated at power plants by converting other forms of energy, such as mechanical energy from turbines or chemical energy from fuel, into electrical energy. This electrical energy is then transmitted through power lines to homes, businesses, and industries, where it can be used to power various electrical devices.
Number 6. Nuclear energy.
Nuclear energy is a type of energy that is released during nuclear reactions, specifically nuclear fission or fusion processes. Nuclear fission involves the splitting of atomic nuclei, while nuclear fusion involves the merging of atomic nuclei. Both processes release a significant amount of energy, which can be harnessed and used for various applications. Overall, nuclear energy plays a significant role in the global energy mix and is an important source of low-carbon electricity generation. Ongoing research and development efforts are focused on improving the safety, efficiency, and sustainability of nuclear energy technologies.
Number 7. Gravitational energy.
Gravitational energy, also known as gravitational potential energy, is the energy stored in an object due to its position relative to a gravitational field. It is a form of potential energy that arises from the gravitational force between two objects with mass. The gravitational potential energy of an object depends on its mass, the acceleration due to gravity, and its height above a reference point. Gravitational energy plays a significant role in various natural phenomena, such as the movement of celestial bodies in space, the formation of ocean tides, and the potential energy stored in water held behind a dam in hydropower systems. It is an important concept in physics and engineering for understanding and harnessing the energy associated with gravitational forces.
Number 8. Elastic energy.
Elastic energy is a form of potential energy stored in objects that can be stretched or compressed, such as springs, rubber bands, and elastic materials. When these objects are deformed from their original shape, they store elastic potential energy, which can be released when the object returns to its original shape. The amount of elastic potential energy stored in an object depends on its elasticity, how easily it can be stretched or compressed, and the amount of deformation. Elastic energy is utilized in various applications, such as in mechanical systems, sports equipment, like bows and arrows, and in engineering designs where controlled release of stored energy is required. Understanding elastic energy is crucial for designing efficient and safe systems that rely on the properties of elastic materials.
Number 9. Sound energy.
Sound energy is a form of energy produced by vibrations that travel through a medium, such as air, water, or solid materials. These vibrations create pressure waves that our ears perceive as sound. Sound energy is a type of mechanical wave and is characterized by its frequency, pitch, and amplitude, volume. Sound energy is used in various applications, such as communication, music, and sonar technology.
Number 10. Light energy.
Light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation that is visible to the human eye. It is produced by the vibration of electrically charged particles, such as electrons, and travels in waves at a very high speed. Light energy is essential for vision and allows us to see colors, shapes, and objects in our environment. It also plays a crucial role in photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy to produce food. Light energy is used in various applications, including lighting, photography, telecommunications, and solar power generation.
Number 11. Magnetic energy.
Magnetic energy is a form of potential energy that is associated with the magnetic fields generated by magnets or moving electric charges. This type of energy is stored in magnetic fields and can be converted into other forms of energy, such as kinetic energy or electrical energy. When two magnets are attracted to each other or repel each other, it is due to the presence of magnetic energy.
Number 12. Radiant energy.
Radiant energy is a form of energy that is transmitted in the form of electromagnetic waves or particles. It includes a wide range of electromagnetic radiation, such as visible light, ultraviolet light, infrared radiation, radio waves, microwaves, and X-rays.
Number 13. Mechanical energy.
Mechanical energy is the energy that an object possesses due to its motion or position. It is the sum of an object's kinetic energy or energy of motion and potential energy or energy of position.
Number 14. Solar energy.
Solar energy is a renewable and sustainable form of energy that is derived from the sun's radiation. It is a clean and abundant source of energy that can be harnessed and converted into electricity or used for heating and cooling purposes. Solar energy is captured using solar technologies such as photovoltaic, PV, cells, solar panels, solar thermal collectors, and concentrated solar power systems.
Number 15. Wind energy.
Wind energy is a renewable and sustainable form of energy that is generated by harnessing the power of the wind. Wind turbines are used to capture the kinetic energy of the wind and convert it into electricity. Wind energy is considered a clean and environmentally friendly source of power because it does not produce greenhouse gas emissions or air pollutants during operation.
Number 16. Geothermal energy.
Geothermal energy is a renewable and sustainable form of energy that harnesses the heat stored beneath the Earth's surface to generate electricity and provide heating and cooling for buildings. Geothermal energy is derived from the natural heat of the Earth's interior, which originates from the radioactive decay of minerals and the heat left over from the formation of the planet.
Number 17. Hydroelectric energy.
Hydroelectric energy is a form of renewable energy that is generated by harnessing the power of moving water. It involves the use of flowing water, typically from rivers or dams, to drive turbines that generate electricity. The kinetic energy of the water is converted into mechanical energy, which is then converted into electrical energy through the use of a generator. Hydroelectric power is a clean and sustainable source of energy that does not produce greenhouse gas emissions and can provide a reliable source of electricity.
Number 18. Biomass energy.
Biomass energy is a renewable energy source derived from organic materials, such as plants, wood, agricultural residues, and organic waste. These organic materials contain stored energy from the sun, which can be released through various processes to generate heat, electricity, or biofuels. Biomass energy is considered carbon neutral because the carbon dioxide released during its combustion is offset by the carbon dioxide absorbed by the plants during their growth, making it a more sustainable alternative to fossil fuels.
Number 19. Tidal energy.
Tidal energy is a form of renewable energy that harnesses the power of ocean tides to generate electricity. It is a predictable and reliable source of energy that is driven by the gravitational forces of the moon and the sun acting on the Earth's oceans. Tidal energy is considered a type of hydropower, as it involves capturing the kinetic energy of moving water to produce electricity.
Number 20. Wave energy.
Wave energy is another form of renewable energy that harnesses the power of ocean waves to generate electricity. It involves capturing the kinetic and potential energy of ocean waves as they move across the surface of the water. Wave energy is a clean and sustainable source of power that is driven by wind patterns and weather systems in the oceans.